My bottom guide fell apart. Here's how to do a field expedient repair this week on Kayak Hacks. To fix this, the first thing you need is to be prepared. I bring a pencil wrapped with duct tape as well as a generic line guide that I can use in pretty much any position except the tip. I also cut the duct tape into thin strips because just throwing a thick strip on isn't going to hold. Okay, I've got it on there, and I'm taking that first strip and I'm going to wrap it tightly. Since that is not thick, that's going to hold. But now what I want to do is take at least one more. Get this guy off. And do the same thing. I'll start here at the back. Doing it very tightly, just like you're wrapping the line on there. And that's on there pretty good. Okay, I'm ready to go. Now I just gotta get this thing out of the way, and I can do that with my pliers. Hope you like the tip. Thank you.